We're living in a time where many are struggling with fatigue, insomnia, and nagging aches. What if I told you the answer to these problems could be as simple as a mineral deficiency? You might be surprised to learn that magnesium, a mineral often overlooked, plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions. Magnesium is your body's spark plug. It's involved in energy production, muscle function, sleep regulation, and even your mood. Despite its importance, magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common. Many people walk around with low levels, unaware that this could be the root of their health woes. Why is this deficiency so widespread? Modern diets, high in processed foods and low in magnesium-rich whole foods, are a major contributor. Add to that stress, medications, and certain health conditions that deplete magnesium, and you have a recipe for a silent epidemic. The good news is that recognizing the signs of magnesium deficiency and taking steps to correct it can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. Magnesium is like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring all instruments play in harmony. It's an essential mineral, meaning your body can't produce it on its own, so you must obtain it through diet or supplements. But what exactly does magnesium do? Think of magnesium as your body's spark plug. It helps convert food into energy, fueling your cells and keeping you going throughout the day. This mineral is also a muscle relaxer, easing cramps and tension while promoting restful sleep. Ever notice how a warm bath can calm your nerves? Magnesium plays a role in that too, regulating neurotransmitters that influence mood and stress response. It even contributes to healthy blood sugar balance and strong bones. Without enough magnesium, your body simply can't function optimally. This deficiency can lead to a cascade of health problems, from minor annoyances to more serious conditions. The silent signs of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium deficiency often flies under the radar, masquerading as other common health issues. You might be surprised to learn that many everyday complaints could be linked to low magnesium levels. Do you experience frequent headaches, especially tension headaches, struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep, feel constantly tired even after a full night's rest? These are all potential signs of magnesium deficiency. Other subtle symptoms include muscle cramps or twitches, anxiety, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. You may also notice constipation, low mood, and even sugar cravings. The problem is these symptoms are often attributed to stress, aging, or other factors, making it easy to miss the underlying magnesium deficiency. You might think a simple blood test could determine if you're low in magnesium, right? Unfortunately, it's not that straightforward. Standard blood tests measure serum magnesium levels, which only reflect about 1% of your body's total magnesium stores. This is because most of your magnesium resides inside your cells and bones, not circulating in your blood. So even if your blood test shows normal magnesium levels, you could still be deficient. For a more accurate assessment, consider asking your doctor for a red blood cell magnesium test. This test measures magnesium levels within your red blood cells, providing a better indication of your overall magnesium status. So what's causing this widespread magnesium deficiency? Well, several factors contribute to depleted magnesium levels, and honestly, many of them are just part of our modern lifestyles. One of the biggest culprits is our diet. Processed foods, refined grains, and sugary drinks are notoriously low in magnesium. On top of that, they often contain high amounts of sugar, caffeine, and unhealthy fats, all of which can further deplete magnesium stores. Chronic stress is another major magnesium thief. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which can deplete magnesium levels. Certain medications such as diuretics, antibiotics, and proton pump inhibitors can also interfere with magnesium absorption or increase excretion. While anyone can develop magnesium deficiency, certain groups are more susceptible than others. Knowing if you're at increased risk can help you take proactive steps to protect your health. People with digestive disorders, such as Crohn's disease or celiac disease, are at a higher risk because their bodies may not absorb magnesium efficiently. Individuals with type 2 diabetes are also more prone to deficiency, as high blood sugar levels can increase magnesium loss through urine. Those who consume large amounts of alcohol, caffeine, or sugary drinks regularly are also at risk, as these substances can interfere with magnesium absorption and utilization. Additionally, athletes and people who engage in strenuous physical activity may need more magnesium to support muscle function and recovery. Concerned you might be low in magnesium? While blood tests have limitations, there are other ways to assess your magnesium status. Pay close attention to your body's signals. Are you experiencing any of the symptoms we discussed earlier, such as fatigue, headaches, muscle cramps, or insomnia? If so, it's worth exploring magnesium as a potential factor. Keep a food journal for a few days and track your magnesium intake. This can help you determine if you're consuming enough magnesium-rich foods. You can use online resources or consult with a registered dietitian to determine the magnesium content of different foods. If you suspect a deficiency, talk to your healthcare provider about getting tested and discuss appropriate treatment options. They can help you determine the best course of action based on your individual needs and health history. One of the best ways to boost your magnesium levels is to load up on magnesium-rich foods. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial for your overall health. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of magnesium. Other great options include almonds, cashews, black beans, avocado, and dark chocolate. Just make sure it's at least 70% cacao. When preparing your meals, try using magnesium-rich sea salt or Himalayan pink salt instead of table salt. You can also add a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to smoothies or oatmeal for a magnesium boost. If you struggle to meet your magnesium needs through diet alone, supplementation can be a helpful tool. However, not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Magnesium glycinate is a highly absorbable form that's gentle on the stomach and often recommended for improving sleep and reducing anxiety. Magnesium citrate is another good option, known for its laxative effect, which can be helpful for constipation. Avoid magnesium oxide as it has poor bioavailability, meaning your body can't absorb it well. It's also more likely to cause digestive discomfort. When choosing a supplement, always opt for reputable brands that undergo third-party testing to ensure quality and purity. Start with a low dose and gradually increase as needed, as high doses of magnesium can cause diarrhea. Boosting your magnesium levels isn't just about diet and supplements. Simple lifestyle changes can also make a big difference in improving your magnesium status. Managing stress is crucial, as chronic stress can deplete magnesium levels. It's a good idea to incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even just spending time in nature. Also, make sure you're getting enough quality sleep, since magnesium plays a vital role in sleep regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and try to establish a relaxing bedtime routine to promote restful sleep. Regular exercise can also help improve magnesium absorption and utilization. However, you should avoid overtraining because excessive exercise can actually deplete magnesium stores. Countless individuals have experienced significant improvements in their health after addressing their magnesium deficiency. Here are a couple of inspiring stories. Sarah, a 35-year-old woman, had been struggling with chronic migraines for years. She tried various medications and therapies with little success. After learning about magnesium's role in headache prevention, she started taking a daily magnesium supplement. To her surprise, her migraines became less frequent and less severe. John, a 50-year-old man, had been experiencing insomnia and difficulty staying asleep. He was constantly tired, and it was affecting his work and personal life. His doctor suggested he try magnesium, and within a few weeks John noticed a significant improvement in his sleep quality. He was finally able to sleep through the night and woke up feeling refreshed. These stories really highlight the profound impact magnesium can have on overall health and well-being. Are you concerned you might be low in magnesium? This simple checklist can help you determine if you need to investigate further. Do you experience frequent headaches? Do you have trouble sleeping? Do you feel constantly tired? Do you experience muscle cramps or twitches? Do you feel anxious or irritable? Do you have difficulty concentrating? Do you experience constipation? Do you crave sugary foods? If you answered yes to several of these questions, it's worth talking to your healthcare provider about getting your magnesium levels checked. Your body is constantly sending signals, and it's important to pay attention to what it's trying to tell you. Don't ignore persistent symptoms or brush them off as just stress. Magnesium deficiency is a common and often overlooked health concern that can have a significant impact on your well-being. By understanding the signs, causes, and solutions, you can take control of your health and reclaim your vitality. Make simple changes to your diet, manage stress, prioritize sleep, and consider supplementation if needed. You deserve to feel your best, and ensuring adequate magnesium intake is a powerful step in that direction.